as organization, given the privilege of holding important information. And so we have to, number one, make sure that that is secure.
Safe workplaces are productive workplaces. Healthy workers are engaged workers. And a skilled workforce is the engine that drives Ontario's prosperity forward. I want to say a special thank you to 4S and Sebastian Sobey for the work that you do, for having me here today. It's wonderful to be here. It feels like a bit of a reunion. I mean, all of our labor key folks are here. We've got the Skilled Trades Ontario, both board and CEO, WSIB, Jeff.
Businesses work with 4S to build strong, healthy, safety management systems, and they earn rebates on their WSI premiums for doing so. Just under 5,000 businesses in this province have registered for the Health and Safety Excellence Program. That's more than 1.1 million Ontarians that are working for an employer that cares about their health and safety enough to join this program. We've distributed $73 million in rebates since the program was launched. 4S, sidebar, commercial, 540 of those employers have worked with 4S to see this through. And over $5 million in rebates have gone to the people that they consult for. So thank you, 4S. Keep up the good work.